Hi there, it's Ravi here. It's a gold chart 4-hour time frame, and we are going to talk about how we are planning trade for the next week. Here I'm going to talk about three scenarios. Let's start with very first. If market opens flat. If market is going to open flat, then I will wait till it will start crossing 4207 level. And whenever it cross and close the 4-hour candle right above the level, from there, I will start to find selling scenarios and hold for a bigger target. That is going to be my first scenario if it opens on the same level where it closed. The logic behind this is simple. Watch out my previous analysis where I already explained that I am not bullish until it will sustain above this level. The day it will sustain above this level, from there I will plan my bullish trade because from there the trend has been changed from bearish to bullish trend. But until then, even though it's showing this buying momentum, it's still in selling market because it did not take out any previous lower highs in a bigger time frame. Another reason is that it was coming down from a long time and now it has made bottom. And from here, it has started making up move. But as soon as it will take out this liquidity, it will show selling momentum from this area after it breaks. If my stop loss gets hit in this trade, then I will wait until it crosses this liquidity zone. So from here and here, I will another try to find a selling setup from here. That would be my plan for the next week if it opens the flat, the same area where it closed. Another scenario would be what if market open gaps up. If it open gaps up around this area, a slight gap up like 30-40 points, then my plan would be the same. I would wait till it breaks and close 4-hour time frame above this zone, and from there I will try to find a selling setup and hold it for a bigger target. But if market opens gap down, then the scenario will completely change. If it opens gap down, then I will wait that how is market performing. If it breaks down this level, then from here, I will try to find selling setup because from there, it will not make any up momentum. It will go for a downside. Either it will test this support and from then come up, but first it will go down. Or maybe that it could break this support and continue their selling momentum. So if it opens gap down, then my plan will change completely. If you are a beginner trader, then you have to realize one thing for sure. Do not jump randomly in trading. You always have to make your planning that in which condition, what I'm going to do. If you have that plan ready, then when market open next week, you could follow that plan and make money. And by following that plan, if your stop loss gets hits, that's fine because you had follow your planning. Your losses are coming from your planning. It's completely fine because you don't need to be right each and every time. If you're out of 10 trades, if your 5s are right and your risk reward is 1:3 or 1:4, so that thing will make you profitable in a longer run. My last 2 trade is in profit. Check out my weekly analysis, what I said, and I followed that exactly how I said. In this week, I am going to do the same thing. I predicted this scenario and now I am going to act accordingly. I will try to share my each and live trade during the live market and explain the logic behind that. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. See you on the next trade.